welcome to my channel. I'm Phoenix, and today we'll try to build the biggest chicken farm in Roblox. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and write down in the comments what you want us to play next time. So it's telling us to buy this for $5. So we bought our first chicken. Okay, so there's it. Oh, there's the first egg. Okay, it's moving. Now we can collect it from here, isn't it? Yeah. And then our second egg, our third egg, I mean. Okay, we collect it. Then we go and sell it to this man. Okay. So our goal is to build the biggest chicken farm today. And now we have $3. We can build this. Okay, now we have 3 eggs, 4. So we just need eggs and sell it. Okay, let's buy our second chicken. Okay, that's good so far. Okay, let's sell our eggs now. We have $1. Okay, what's this? Okay, no, I don't want it. Okay, give me eggs. Yes, now we have 5. How much we'll get? Where's our cash? It says here 1. Oh, we collect the money from here. Okay, now we have $12. Okay, we can buy our third chicken. We will have a lot of eggs here. Okay, so now we have another type of chicken. So give us this type of eggs. Okay, I think this would be like more expensive than the other. Okay, so yeah, we collect our money. Now we need $10 for the next chicken. Okay. 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 Yes, 17. Now we can buy this. Get our eggs. Sell it. Get our eggs. Sell it. Okay. And we have here, we have a lot of eggs here. This says auto collect. Maybe we'll buy it later. Can I just stand here and collect the eggs? I can't. No, I think I can. It will be faster. Okay, let me go sell my eggs. Oh, I have 30 eggs now. Let me sell them. We have $30. I think we can save up total 65. And it says here, okay, we can improve this. Upgrade it. It will be faster now. Here we have more eggs. Okay. What else? Now we have $61. We need 65. So we can sell these eggs. And get now. We bought 5 chickens. Now we can merge them, I think. Yeah, we have one. What? A dirt chicken. What is this now? That's crazy. Okay, we have 21 eggs now. Sell them. So this is a dirt chicken. A dirt egg, I mean. Okay, it's 25 each. That's nice. So we can buy like a lot of chicken and merge them together. Okay, 50. Sell eggs. That's a nice game actually. Now we need $105. Okay, let's collect our eggs. We have 130 eggs. We can sell them. We can get our money by 5. So we can buy 25 for 525. Okay, let's buy 5 for now and merge them. It will be better. Now I have two what? 2 ducks. Okay. And 1 dirt chicken. Okay, let's collect our eggs. Now we have almost 200 eggs. Okay. You can upgrade this. You can buy 5 more. You can get a new type of chicken now. Now we have 2 types of dirt chickens. I think we need 3 so we can upgrade it to different level. Okay, now we have 190 eggs. Get our money and then buy more chickens, merge them. I think dirt chicken is the next. I'm not sure because we have 2 now. Maybe we need 3, I don't know. Okay, 165. I think this time I'll aim for 25. No, it's expensive. Just buy 5 now. And merge them together. Yes. We have a bee chicken. That's nice. We have 1 bee chicken, 1 duck. So give us 90. That's nice. Okay. I have 300 now. Crazy. Sell them. Sell. Yes. 190. I can just stand here and AFK. I think it would be nice. Give me more eggs. Okay, sell them. We have now 463. Okay. We can buy 25 for 1,125. Okay, we can collect, sell, get, collect on cash, sell. Okay, oh, we have a lucky block. We have a lucky block, nice. So what can give us? Unlock. No. Okay. Oh, we need now 5 for 1,000. Oh, crazy. Wait, what? I don't understand. Oh, it's getting expensive now. Please, nice one. Yes, you got a bee chicken. Oh, we have 3,000 eggs. Crazy. Okay, another lucky block. Can unlock it. Please give me. Oh, that's a new one. Let's see it. Oh, we had a dummy one. I don't know. Oh, oh my god. Give us like 1,000 eggs at a time. Crazy. Yo, we have now 6,000 eggs. We had a blue lucky block. Yes, let me see. Yo, it's expensive. 21,000. Expensive, bruh. I'll leave it for now. Can I leave it? Oh, I throw it away. Ish. Okay, it's fine. Let me collect my eggs. We have 5,000 now. I think I'll upgrade this. It's too slow. Upgrade. Because now I have a lot of eggs, so we need it faster. Yes, like this. Yeah, but I missed the blue lucky block. Ish. That's fine, we can get it again, I think. Okay. 2,000, nice. Okay, we can buy. Oh, a new lucky block. Yes. Let me see, it's 400. Okay. Give me a nice one, please. Okay, not bad. Yes. Okay. 1,000. 6,000 eggs. Okay. Nice. 3,000. Our business is improving now. Okay, look at this. Okay. Give me my eggs. 70 eggs. Okay, now we have, I think we're gonna buy 5 more. And can we buy, okay, with an F10,000. Lucky block, yes. Give me a nice one, please. Oh, not bad, not bad. Mushroom one is not bad. We can merge them. Okay, now we have 2 dummy. Okay, nice. I think I will save up for 12,000 for 25 eggs. Oh, we have a blue lucky block. Okay, I think I'm gonna save for it. It's expensive. We need a lot of money for it. Okay, how much? 26. Crazy. Don't know if I will get this amount. It's super expensive. I think I can keep it in my hand. Okay. Okay. Almost got 12,000 now. Yes. Yes. And I can buy 25 chickens at one time. So collection now we have 2 dummy and 2 duck and 2 basics. Okay. Okay. 8,000 sell. Okay, 11,000 almost. Oh, we had another blue lucky block. Okay. Oh, another one. Ish. Okay. 12,000, yes. 25 chickens. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I merged them. Okay. But still I didn't get what? A dummy. Another dummy. Okay, it's fine. Okay. We need a lot of cash. So we need 27,000 for this to open. Yo, we have a lot of eggs here. 55,000. Crazy. I think we can upgrade this. I think we should upgrade this. We have to. Yeah. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Nice. Okay, we need to upgrade this more. Upgrade, upgrade. Nice. Okay. Yes. Need to deposit now. Oh, 10,000, nice. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Okay, nice. And now it will be easier to get 27,000. Yes, yes. We have 52,000 eggs. Not 60. Oh yeah, now we have 20. Yeah, we can unlock it now. Okay. Oh, we got another dummy. It's fine. Not bad. Now we need 26. Okay. Now we have now four lucky blocks. Okay, not bad. Give me. Now we have 24. Almost there. 30. 33. Okay, almost. Now we can get it unlocked. Okay, please, please, please. Oh, a goose. Nice. How much will it give us? 4,000 each. Okay, nice. Oh, that's when we need 60,000. Okay, it's a lot. Okay. The game is actually nice. I like it. If you want us to continue playing the game, later tell us in the comments. Okay. Deposit. Need it faster, faster. Okay. Okay. Almost there. 59, 56. Okay, now. Okay, please, please. Oh, another goose. Nice, not bad. Yo, for this one we need 80,000. It's quite a lot. We can merge now. Okay. Oh, we got a villager now in Minecraft. How much will give us? Let's see. Okay. Oh, 15,000. Crazy. Okay, now we have a lot of eggs. We need to upgrade this. We have to. We have almost 100 eggs. Okay, upgrade 2000, 3000, okay, 4000, let's make it 5000, okay. Let's get some eggs. Oh my god. Yes, 70,000 eggs. It's a lot of eggs. Okay, upgrade this, upgrade it. 5,000, 6,000, okay. Now I can get 80,000. Ooh, there's a red lucky block. Okay, I need to throw this. Oh, we need 3 million. Oh my god, that's a lot. So we'll get. Oh, we'll get a villager. No, I don't want it. Okay, this one can unlock. Oh, got a dummy, it's fine. And deposit our eggs. Collect. Got a bee, okay. We need to upgrade this. Okay. Let's buy 25 tiers. Merge them. We have a villager and a dummy and a mushroom, duck, and a basic chicken. Okay, we can get our goal in this video to get 1 million. It will be our goal. Now we have. Okay, upgrade this. Yeah. Okay. Eggs, more eggs. Deposit eggs. Okay. So it's finishing fast now. See? Now it's finished. We need now like. So we'll get the villager F8 in F right. Okay. I think I don't need it now. Deposit. Another one. It's expensive now. I can't afford it. I'm broke. Can we get this? Let's buy 100 chickens. What is this? I'll get unlock this. 60. Okay, I need to deposit this. Give me more eggs. Yes. Now we have a villager, dummy, and mushroom. Here. Now I have 185. Yes, I can buy 100 chickens now. Okay. So they merge into automatically. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now we have 114,000. Deposit. I think I'm gonna save for 1 million, so we can finish our goal for this video. Okay, that's a lot of eggs. 60,000, 50,000, 100,000. No, that's it. Can we get 100,000 eggs? It will be nice. Okay, 70,000. So guys, tell us in a comment if you want us to continue playing this game or not. Go to B. Don't need this. Okay, 34. Close it. Nice. Now we have almost 100k. I think I can stand here. It will be like easier. I can go this way. Okay, stand here. Can I just stand here? Nah, I didn't collect it. Okay, it's fine. That's a lot of eggs. I have 100,000 eggs now. How fast it will go? Okay, 75, 67, 60, 52, 45, 38. Yeah, it's fast now. Okay, I have a lot of eggs here. Okay, I won't collect them now. Now we have 300k. That's nice. Oh my god, that's a lot of eggs. Let me collect them. Oh my god. I'll put another bee. That's a lot of eggs. Okay, we have 100,000 eggs now. Close it then. Okay, let's wait again. Nice. So I think 1 egg equals to $1, I think. I'm not sure. Yes. 100,000. Almost there. 500,000. Close it. Oh, we have 2 red lucky blocks. Yeah, but I don't need them now. Okay. They're super expensive now. Let me go see the others and see how they farm are. Okay, let's see this guy. Another one is here. Okay. Also no one is here. Am I playing alone or what? Okay. Nah, I'm better than him. Oh, we have Fleet of Right. Okay. I think I'm gonna go back. Oh my god. I have 82 million here. Crazy. Ish. Oh my god, there's a lot of eggs here. Eggs. 158,000, 170. Let's make it to 200. Unlock. Oh, put another dummy. Okay. 210 eggs. Yes, almost 500,000 there. Merge. Okay. Nice. I think it's enough for now for this video. We have 120,000 eggs now. So I think I'll stop for now. If you want us to continue playing this map, tell us in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us what you want us to play next time. And see you later. Bye.